You need to know how to create content with AI in 2026.
In the mid-18th century, the 13 American colonies were a bustling, prosperous frontier. They were fiercely independent in spirit, yet officially bound to the mighty British Empire across the sea. But protecting this massive global empire.
My goal with this video is to show you one of the most powerful and profitable AI content creation systems available right now. The kind of workflow that can create long-form YouTube videos, cinematic project trailers, documentary-style content, and almost any type of high-retention visual storytelling you can imagine. And here's the crazy part. Most people still have no idea these tools even exist yet. Now, I also know that when you're starting a new project, you usually don't have a huge budget, expensive software, or an entire production team behind you. So in this video, we're going to build the entire workflow using brand new free and effectively unlimited AI tools that were released just within the last few weeks. No complicated setup, no massive investment, no years of experience required. And to make this even easier for you, I'll leave all the prompts, tools, and links you need down in the description below. To create high-quality long-form content with AI, you only need 3 things: a powerful script, cinematic visuals, and realistic audio. Now, here's the exciting part. I'm going to show you the best AI tools to generate all 3 completely free, and in the simplest way possible. Before anything else, we need the most important part of the entire video: the script. Because this right here is the brain behind everything. Now, if you want your videos to sound natural, engaging, and actually high quality, you can't just rely on some random AI tool and hope for the best. That's where most people fail. So for this step, I'm using one of the most powerful AI language models available right now, capable of generating incredibly natural and professional scripts automatically. And the best part is that it's free and effectively unlimited. Google's new Gemini Pro. I've prepared an ultra-detailed prompt for it that you'll find in the description. And the process is actually incredibly simple. You just give Gemini 2 things: the topic of your video and the length you want the video to be. And within seconds, it transforms that simple idea into a complete video structure automatically. But here's the interesting part. It doesn't just give you a plain script. Instead, it breaks the entire video into numbered clips, almost like a professional production blueprint. And if you're wondering where to find viral video ideas, this part is insanely easy. You can literally just ask ChatGPT something like, "Give me the top USA history topics that get massive interest on YouTube, documentaries, podcasts, and educational channels." And instantly, it will generate a list of highly engaging topic ideas people already love watching. Topics that perform extremely well in long-form content, in documentary-style videos, storytelling channels, and educational content. And from here, make sure you select the latest version of Gemini Pro, because this is where the quality difference becomes absolutely insane. The newer model gives you dramatically better scripts, more natural storytelling, smarter structure, and a much more cinematic flow overall. Then set the thinking level to high, and also switch the media resolution to high. With higher thinking enabled, Gemini spends more time building smarter scripts, better storytelling, and more detailed scene structure. And with high media resolution, the generated visuals and creative direction become far more cinematic and professional looking. And for every single clip, it generates 4 important elements for you: the line of script that will be spoken in that clip, the tone of voice for that line, a prompt to generate the image for that clip, a prompt to turn that image into a video. Based on the duration you choose, it automatically creates more or fewer of these segments. But in the end, what you get is a complete storyline broken into small, organized blocks that show you exactly what should be said, what should be shown, and how every single moment of the video should feel. First, you use that structure to generate the voiceover audio. Then, you use the exact same structure to animate the images and turn them into cinematic video scenes that perfectly match the narration. Because the same prompt that created the script is also generating the visuals, the scene direction, and even the animation style for every single moment. And that's the secret behind automating almost the entire video creation process. And of course, the prompt is fully customizable. If you need extra instructions for your specific job or niche, you can always tweak it. But honestly, it already works extremely well, exactly the way it is. Once you have that text and the full list of prompts, you're basically set, because now you can start generating the videos that will play perfectly in sync with the script as it's being narrated. For the visuals, I'm going to show you a combo of tools that are honestly some of my favorites for this kind of project. The first one is a lesser-known platform called Slop Club. Slop Club is a completely free AI video tool that lets you generate high-quality, highly narrative clips every single day. And it doesn't even feel like a typical tool, it actually works more like a social network. You can scroll through videos made by other creators to get inspiration, download community clips if they fit your project, and everything you create gets saved on your profile so others can discover it too. Now what we're going to do is take the image prompts that Gemini generated for us and paste them directly into Slop Club's image section. From there, you can choose image or video tools directly. Here I'll choose GPT Image 2, which is best image model in the world. Select Image Aspect Ratio Landscape. Then, you simply hit Generate and let it create the image based on the prompt. Now, there's one important thing you should know. Slop Club gives you a daily limit of 5+ generations. But after testing it a lot, I can tell you that in real use, that limit is actually very generous. Even 5 clips a day is more than enough for most creators. And within a few seconds, you get results that already look surprisingly polished and professional. Next, simply copy the video prompt and paste it here. Then select the video generation model and make sure you set the aspect ratio to landscape for a proper cinematic YouTube format. Now hit enter, and within just a few seconds, your video will be ready. Let's check the preview. And as you can see, everything comes out smooth, clean, and perfectly aligned with the script. And then the next day, everything resets, so you can just keep going and repeat the process. But here's a smart workflow tip. Don't waste those video generations on still image creation. Instead, use a separate tool for images and save Slop Club for what it does best, animating those visuals. For this, I use Meta AI. And if you've been following the channel, you already know I consider Meta one of the best free and unlimited AI tools right now for generating both images and video assets. It's honestly ridiculously simple. Just click on New Chat, go into the Create section, and choose Image Generation. Then copy and paste the image prompt from your second clip. At the end of the prompt, I usually add terms like hyper-realistic and aspect ratio 16:9 to make the results look more cinematic and optimized for YouTube videos. And within just a few seconds, Meta AI generates 4 different images for you automatically. From there, simply pick the one that looks the best. Now, here's where the magic happens. Instead of using normal animation, always choose Custom Animate. Then, paste the video prompt generated by Gemini. This transforms the static image into a moving cinematic scene. By default, it creates a 5-second clip, but you can easily extend the animation up to 8 seconds for smoother storytelling and better pacing. If you want even higher quality visuals, especially ultra-cinematic 4K or 8K style results, then you can use Google Flow. Just paste your image prompt right here, but pay close attention to these settings because they make a huge difference in the final quality. First, select the image creation model. Then set the aspect ratio to 16:9, switch the quality setting to 4x, and most importantly, choose my favorite image generation model, Nano Banana Pro. Once you generate, it will create 4 hyper-realistic images that look incredibly detailed and cinematic. From there, simply choose the ones you like the most and always download them in 2K or 4K quality for the best final video results. Now here's the powerful part. Simply upload the downloaded image into Meta AI, paste the video prompt, and let the AI do the work. Within moments, it transforms that single image into a cinematic animated scene that looks like a professionally produced 4K or even 8K style video. And the craziest part? It does all of this almost instantly, giving you smooth, high-definition footage ready to use in your final edit. If you followed all these steps correctly, then by this point you should already have an entire folder filled with animated clips, each one perfectly matching one of the numbered segments Gemini generated for your script. Now it's time to add the voice, because this is the part that truly brings the entire video to life. And for voiceovers, I'm going to show you 2 completely free and practically unlimited options. The first one is OpenAI.fm, and honestly, the workflow couldn't be simpler. You just choose the voice you like, select the vibe or speaking style you want, and then paste the exact script line Gemini generated for that specific clip. Hit play, and within seconds, it creates a surprisingly natural, high-quality voiceover for that scene.
Imagine standing on the edge of the known world, separated from your king by an ocean, only to realize you no longer need him. This is the story of the American Revolution.
Now, here's an important tip that will save you a ton of time later. Always download and save each audio clip using the same clip number Gemini assigned in the script. That way, everything stays perfectly organized, and you'll instantly know which voice line belongs to which scene during editing. But I also want to show you another option that, in my opinion, sounds even more realistic and gives you far more control over the performance and emotion of the voice. And that is Google's text-to-speech system powered by the Gemini 3.1 TTS Pro model. The voice quality here is honestly impressive. The delivery sounds more natural, more cinematic, and much closer to a real human narration compared to most free AI voice tools. From here, I'm going to select the Master Storyteller preset because it works incredibly well for documentary-style narration and long-form storytelling videos. Next, we'll configure the speaker settings. And trust me, these small adjustments make a massive difference in how professional the final voice sounds. For the style, choose empathetic. This gives the narration a warm, soft, human-like tone with natural emotional inflections that keep viewers engaged. Then, set the pacing to natural so the delivery flows smoothly instead of sounding robotic or rushed. And finally, select the American accent for a clean, professional YouTube-style narration. Now here's the best part. You can test different voices and instantly preview how your narration will sound before generating the final version.
What do you want to explore?
Once you find a voice you like, copy that voice style and paste it into the audio profile section. Then take the specific script line for that scene, paste it into the speaker box, delete any extra text, and hit enter. And within seconds, your cinematic AI voiceover is ready. Let's listen to how it sounds.
Imagine standing on the edge of the known world, separated from your king by an ocean, only to realize you no longer need him. This is the story of the American Revolution.
And this right here is the real power of building your entire workflow around one master prompt. For every single fragment, you already have everything connected together. The script line, the voice style, the image concept, and the animation direction all perfectly match to each other. We're not randomly improvising every piece separately and hoping it works in the edit. That's what most people do. Instead, the entire system was designed from the very beginning to work together as one complete cinematic pipeline. If you've made it this far, you should now have all your numbered video clips and voice clips fully organized and ready to go. Now comes the final step, assembling everything together into one complete cinematic video. For editing, we're going to use a completely free tool that works on both PC and mobile, CapCut. Just install it, and instantly you have a full video editor ready to use. Inside CapCut, import all your video clips and all your voice clips. Since we already saved everything using Gemini's clip numbers, the workflow becomes extremely simple and organized. Start by dragging audio clip 1 onto the timeline. Then place video clip 1 directly above it. Your only goal here is to make sure the video length matches the voiceover length. If the clip feels slightly too long or too short, simply adjust the speed. Make it a little faster or slower until everything syncs perfectly with the narration. Then repeat the exact same process for the rest of the project. Audio 2 with video 2, audio 3 with video 3, and continue until the entire video is finished. And once everything is assembled, what you end up with is a complete long-form cinematic video where every narration line, every visual, and every animation was generated and synchronized from the same master system. All starting from one detailed Gemini prompt you only had to paste once. For transitions, I'm going to use the black fade-out effect. And honestly, this simple transition makes the entire video feel way more cinematic and professional. It looks something like this. And what I recommend is applying this same fade transition across all your clips to keep the visual flow smooth and consistent. But here's something most people ignore. You should also apply subtle fade in and fade out animations on the clips themselves for better viewer retention and smoother scene movement. And once you add it, the final result looks much more polished and immersive, like this. And finally, I'll import the background music and lower the volume so it sits perfectly under the narration without overpowering the voice. Now, let's watch the final preview.
Imagine standing on the edge of the known world, separated from your king by an ocean, only to realize you no longer need him. This is the story of the American Revolution. In the mid-18th century, the 13 American colonies were a bustling, prosperous frontier. They were fiercely independent in spirit, yet officially bound to the mighty British Empire across the sea. But protecting this massive global empire was incredibly expensive. To secure the American frontier, Britain fought a brutal, sprawling conflict known as the French and Indian War. Britain won the war, but the victory came at a staggering cost. The national debt skyrocketed, and King George III needed a way to pay for it. He looked directly at the colonies. Britain won the war, but the victory came at a staggering cost. The national debt skyrocketed, and King George III needed a way to pay for it. He looked directly at the colonies.
That's what makes this workflow so powerful. You can create incredibly high-quality videos fast without needing a huge budget or spending months learning complicated software. Because the difficult part, the structure, the storytelling, the prompts, and the creative direction has already been built for you inside that master prompt. And if you want all the prompts, tools, and resources used in this video, you'll find everything waiting for you inside the Google Drive linked in the description. But here's the thing, making the video is only step one. If you actually want to build a real faceless YouTube channel that grows consistently, pulls in views, and makes money on autopilot, then you need the full automation system behind it. Because the creators winning right now aren't just making videos, they're building AI-powered content machines. So right now, click the video showing on your screen. Because in the next video, I'll show you how to build a complete faceless YouTube automation workflow using AI. From finding viral ideas to generating scripts, visuals, voiceovers, and publishing content faster than ever before. And trust me, that video connects perfectly with everything you learned today. Click the end screen and I'll see you there.